Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. It is so incredibly true that the absolute best vacations begin long before you ever leave home. But let's be totally honest with ourselves here. The actual planning phase, it can be completely exhausting. So today, we're going to follow a wonderfully busy family, mom, dad, and two energetic kids, as they gather around a glowing AI travel map. We're going to see exactly how artificial intelligence can step in and become your ultimate 24/7 personal travel coach. Are you just entirely tired of having like 50 browser tabs open just to plan a single family getaway? If you are nodding your head right now, trust me, you are definitely not alone. Parents face a massive amount of stress researching vacations. You're comparing flights, cross-referencing endless hotel reviews, mapping out driving distances. It's a lot. But here is the really crucial thing to remember. We are not using AI to replace the human joy of travel. Not at all. We're simply using it as a tool to take all that overwhelming planning anxiety and transform it into pure, unadulterated anticipation. So here is the straightforward playbook we are going to use today. We'll start with Phase 1, picking your destination. Then Phase 2, custom itineraries. Phase 3, preparing for the unexpected. And finally, Phase 4, setting up the travel command center. All right, let's dive right into Phase 1, picking your destination. So, this is often where decision paralysis sets in hard, right? But imagine the mom of our family taking charge and acting as the ultimate organizer. Instead of endlessly scrolling through a dozen different travel blogs, she just gives the AI this highly specific prompt. She says, suggest 5 family-friendly vacation destinations for a family of 4 with a $3,000 budget, warm weather, outdoor activities, and direct flights from Connecticut. Notice how incredibly specific that is. By packing all of those details into just one sentence, she's telling the AI her exact budget, the size of her travel party, the dates, and the vibe she wants all at once. And just like that, it filters out thousands of totally irrelevant options for exactly $3,000. And this is right where Dad enthusiastically jumps into the planning process. He can look at the AI's results and see that, hey, it didn't just pick a random spot. It actually went ahead and perfectly estimated the breakdown of flights, hotels, food, and transportation to make sure the whole trip stays right under their strict budget limit. So you can finally say goodbye to all those stressful financial guessing games. Moving right along to Phase 2, custom itineraries and hidden gems. Once you have that destination locked in, it's time for the really fun part. Picture the kids pointing excitedly at that holographic map, starting to see the actual adventures they are going to experience. We can use a prompt kind of like this. Create a 5-day itinerary for Orlando that balances theme parks, relaxation, local dining, and activities for children ages 8 and 12. See, the AI isn't just going to spit out a random list of top tourist traps. It actively curates the whole experience. It balances that high-energy, crazy excitement of theme parks with some much-needed downtime, and it tailors it all precisely for an 8-year-old and a 12-year-old. Let's look at how that actually builds into a practical schedule. Day 1 is arrival and theme parks, but look at Day 2, it's built-in relaxation. Day 3 shifts focus to local dining, Day 4 brings it back to kid-focused activities, and Day 5 is your departure. By breaking the trip down day by day like this, the AI beautifully organizes your travel times and strategically places those essential break periods. And let me tell you, this pacing right here, this is exactly how you prevent those dreaded family travel meltdowns. It gives you a realistic, genuinely enjoyable schedule, not some exhausting vacation marathon. But what if you want to get away from the main crowds? Well, you literally just ask. You can type, recommend unique experiences in New Orleans that tourists often miss. This is exactly how you uncovered those amazing hidden gems. You were basically prompting the AI to act like a local best friend who knows all the coolest off-the-beaten-path restaurants in scenic spots that definitely aren't plastered on the front page of every generic travel brochure. This is how the AI helps our family pivot. They go from standing in massive, incredibly stressful lines at overcrowded tourist attractions to casually enjoying authentic, local hidden gems that they'll actually remember forever. It just completely elevates the quality of the entire trip. Which brings us to Phase 3, preparing for the unexpected. Because let's face it, travel rarely goes exactly 100% as planned. So let's focus on practical preparation. Think about how much time you normally spend just agonizing over what to pack for a specific climate. Instead, just ask, create a packing list for a family vacation to Yellowstone in July. Boom. With one simple sentence, the family generates this highly customized packing list that is based on the specific destination, the summer weather, and their planned outdoor activities. The AI takes all your scattered, frantic thoughts and organizes them into a neat, scannable checklist. Sunscreen, bug spray, hiking boots, layers for cool evenings, a bear bell, binoculars, and a first aid kit. Everyone in the family knows exactly what they need. And honestly, who actually remembers to pack a bear bell until they are literally already standing on the trail? Or enough snacks to appease a suddenly hungry 8-year-old? The AI remembers for you.
Now let's talk about the weather. You can say, suggest indoor activities in Washington, D.C. if rain cancels our outdoor plans. The real magic here is having a solid rainy day backup plan already in your back pocket. By asking the AI for alternatives ahead of time, sudden attraction closures or bad weather never have to ruin your trip. You are being proactive instead of reactive.
Having this gives you absolute, total peace of mind. You instantly get a side-by-side comparison of your outdoor plan A and your indoor plan B. When those dark clouds start rolling in, the family doesn't need to panic in the hotel lobby trying to figure out what to do. They just seamlessly and stress-free pivot right over to the backup plan.
Okay, the final stretch, Phase 4, your travel command center. We've done all this fantastic research, and now it's time to bring all those separate pieces together into one centralized hub. But real quick, before we bundle everything up, if you happen to be traveling internationally, here is a super vital prompt. Teach me the cultural etiquette I should know before visiting Japan. The AI can act as your personal cultural guide, too. It provides language basics, tips for the transit system, and safety protocols, so you arrive feeling confident, fully prepared, and respectful of local customs. And now for the ultimate organizational prompt. Organize all information for my family trip to Hawaii into one travel guide. This is the magic command right here. It seamlessly takes your itinerary, your emergency contacts, your hotel reservations, and your maps, and combines them into a single comprehensive document, which means absolutely no more frantically searching through your email for a booking confirmation while you're standing at the check-in desk. So let's do a really quick recap of this actionable 6-step workflow that you can start using today. Step 1, set your criteria. Step 2, get AI recommendations. Step 3, estimate costs. Step 4, build that itinerary. Step 5, generate your backups. And Step 6, compile your guide. By simply following these steps, you are going to drastically reduce your vacation planning time and truly empower your whole family to just enjoy the journey. Which leads us to our final thought for today. If AI can step in and organize your perfect family trip in a matter of minutes, saving you hours and hours of stress and endless research, where are you going to go next? Let AI handle the heavy lifting. Let it be your personal travel planner, because ultimately, AI helps families spend way less time researching and organizing and a whole lot more time actually creating those memorable experiences together. Thanks so much for exploring this explainer with me, and hey, happy travels!